Hello friends, this is at the rate Monk, and today I am with the Moto Z2 Force. So definitely this is the new flagship by Motorola in India. Why Z2 Force? The Force means definitely the shatterproof thing. The shatterproof technology already has came to India. The first generation was Moto X Force. This is the Z2 Force. Definitely the name has been changed. But what comes inside the box? We are going to do the unboxing of the device, and let's start with the unboxing. I'm doing it a little fired up, little fast speed, so that you don't get bored or mess up. So let me go back to some few things. The Z2 Force comes with the shatterproof. It has a 5 layer of protection which will definitely protect your smartphone, so you don't have to worry when your smartphone gets spoiled accidentally, or if you want to play around with and use it with a tension free. So unboxing the device, here you can see the Moto leaflet, and this is the device. The device looks good. It is very light. It comes with 143 grams, which is very less. It is thin device. We booted the device. In the meanwhile, we can also see that there are some paperwork. It includes the SIM card ejector tool also, and here you get a Type C cable for charging. It definitely comes with the fast charging support. The battery of the device is 2730 milliampere battery, and the charger is a fast charger here. And going other things to the charger, here you can see we get the earphones, which is very rarely seen in these time in the boxes. So earphone is a plus point win-win situation. There is also the earbuds which can fit up to in your ears, so it depends on your how big is your. It doesn't come with a 3.5 mm jack, but it has a converter inside the box, so you can definitely play the music and use the 3.5 mm jack using this converter. So skipping that part, there's nothing much in the box, and there's something also kept here. What it is? This is the Moto's Turbo Power Pack charger. This is coming for 6,599, and it charges around the double speed of the normal power bank. And this will be going on sale on Flipkart, but here it is free with the smartphone. It will be coming as a freebie. It has a separate charging port of itself, and it can also be charged with the device. So going to the design of the device, here you can see the power button, the volume rocker keys. It has a tactile finish, and the screen is 5.5-inch quad SD display, which is shatterproof. Here you can see there is a camera bump, and there is 12 plus 12 megapixel camera. So both the cameras, one is RGB, one is monochrome. Here you can attach the mods. So definitely the mods can, all the previous generation mods, the new mods you can attach in that. In the bottom you can see there is a Type C cable, a Type C port, charging port, and the speaker grills are also in the bottom. And in the front you get a dual LED flash, 5 megapixel camera. The phone is powered by octa-core Snapdragon 835, which is a previous generation flagship processor we have seen. Now I am attaching the mod, the free mod which is coming, which is a turbo mod. It is coming around 5,999, I guess. So it will be compatible with all the Moto smartphone which has a Moto mod, so you can attach with Z2 Play also. I will give a quick look with the Z2 Play very soon, but it does the fast charging. You can check that, and once you plug in the mod, it will take an installation. First installation will go on of the mod app. Once the app is being installed, you can see it is not charging right now, and now we are showing you the picture where it's showing the fast charging. And once it is charging, the fast charging, it will take few minutes, I think half an hour to charge like 50 to 60%, which you can do. We haven't tested that yet, but we will let you know after our review. You can check the review on our website after a few days. Here you can see the charging slot. This is the button which will be the indicator, will tell you. Right now it has only less power, so it will be less than 25%, I guess so. And in the bottom you can see it fits very perfectly in hand. It doesn't feel like it is too thick. Now coming to the OS and about the system, the Z2 Force coming up with Android 8.0 Oreo. So definitely you get the newest version of Android right now, and the best part is that it has a stock Android feel. You will not get any of the skin on the top. So it is very easy to access. The updates are rolled out very soon by Motorola, which is an added advantage. And here you can see the storage. This is a 64 GB variant, and it has a 6 GB of RAM, and this will be only coming in India. 6 GB 64 GB storage. You have a micro card SD slot. It is a hybrid slot. You can expand the memory. There is a dual SIM card slot, both under nano SIM. And in the app section you can see none of the much apps are being installed. It is just the normal apps what you see. It is a Google app, phone settings, Play Store, nothing new. And going on one-on-one comparison with the Z2 Force and Z2 Play. So the Z2 Play is coming with the Gorilla Glass 3, but this is shatterproof. And at the back you can see this is a brushed finish. There is only a metal finish, and it has a dual camera Z2 Force. This is having a single camera. The Z2 Play was having a 3.5 mm jack, but this one doesn't have. Both have a 5 megapixel front camera. The Z2 Play comes with the 3000 milliampere battery, whereas the Z2 Force is coming with 2730 milliampere battery. The weight of the device is also changed. The Z2 Force is coming for 143 gram, whereas the Z2 Play is coming for 145 grams. And the Z2 Force is coming with the Snapdragon 835, whereas the Z2 Play is coming with Snapdragon 626. So this is the major difference of the device. Z2 Play is still running on Android 7.1.1, but we think that it will come with the Oreo update very soon. It is a 4 GB 64 GB variant for Z2 Play, but this is coming with the 6 GB 64 GB. You can check it out here. So this is the major difference what we are getting in both the devices. Apart from this, both the devices are kind of flagship for Motorola. These are about 20,000 smartphone, 25,000 above smartphone, and I guess the Moto Z2 Force will be less than 40,000. It may touch around 35 to 39,000, near about that. But definitely the price attracts because it has a Snapdragon 835, 6 GB of RAM, 64 GB, and overall the best part is the shatterproof thing. So definitely the shatterproof will be the attraction here. And the brushed metal finish looks quite smooth here. The dual tone LED flash in the front and in the back, definitely Moto has worked on it. But few things we have to check is the camera, how camera is good. But overall, definitely the 3.5 mm jack is missing, which some people will get hurt and some people will like it, those who use the Bluetooth earphones. And here it is the shatterproof. I was just showing it in a clip. But we will do a proper test for that in the shatterproof test. And here if you go to the camera settings, the camera, you will get the professional mode. There are also true BMW, depth mode, panorama mode, photo mode. So the true BMW means you will get a complete black and white picture, something that I always love to click. Monochrome pictures are definitely good and you can edit them, play with them, but it is up to your choice. It can shoot videos up to 4K, and also 30 FPS slow motion videos can be also done. We have taken some samples. This is the panorama image and you can check it out how good it is showing. The color quality is very rich and the image came out well enough. So I love the pictures what came in the first impression. This is not the review, so let me remind you that also. Going to the other samples, I am showing you here. You can see this is the true BMW, and this is the using the front camera. The front camera came out well. The color is saturated. It is the true color. It is not using the too much beautification. Definitely you can use it, but I don't like the beautification mode, so I will skip that part. And regarding that, there is a less light. I tried into the low light condition also. Overall the camera is good and it is up to how they will make it out. This is, I was trying the depth of field. Here I was trying the blur effect, but overall it came out well. It was satisfactory. Definitely they can work on the software and it can play it out. Not a big deal for Motorola, but this is what we like in the device. The Motorola is giving a complete package. Especially what I like is the TurboPower Pack, because if you are a photographer or you are a gamer, you definitely like to consume more battery and sometimes you get it drained out. So definitely the TurboPower Pack comes handy, and the shatterproof thing is something you can be tension free. You don't have to put a back cover on your smartphone. And don't forget that you can attach any mods in the back, so old mods, new mods, everything can be attached. And this is all about the Moto Z2 course. This is at the rate I old monk signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.